Check out this 2009 Holden Commodore.
This vehicle has all the features you could dream of, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission.
Better mileage means better driving, and this vehicle delivers with low fuel consumption.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.